Are you looking for a gas or electric boiler company who's well established and who's got one of the highest reviews in England and whose customer service is second to none? I would not be surprised that one of your neighbours has used one of our many services. When you first call us, you will be answered by one of our professional and helpful team members. Once a job is booked with us, you will get a call from one of our engineers. He will go through the fault in more detail with you and see what parts are needed or not. This will give you assurance that we know what we are doing. And for reliability, we will give you an AM or PM slot, and we will call you to let you know we are on the way. And that's what A+R means, assurance and reliability, because that's what everyone wants. So, if you have a gas or electric boiler repair, or you need a replacement, just call us on 01612203712.